So how to get admission here? After 12th science, directly admission here, or you can contact the admission cell of our BMU. So in our college there are different laboratories are there. So after graduation or post graduation program, if anybody wants to pursue their higher study in BMU, we offer the PhD program. Hello, myself Dr. Dipti Patel, HOD in Civil Engineering Department. Basically, civil engineering is the significant branch of the engineering. It plays the vital role of planning, designing, construction, maintenance of our building infrastructure, railways, roadways, marine, submarine structures. So, in our college, offer BTech program and MTech program for the student. For MTech or the postgraduate program, we have different specialization. So in MTech program, we offer MTech in structural engineering, MTech in geotechnical engineering, MTech in town planning engineering, MTech in construction planning management, MTech in structural engineering, and many more. So how to get admission here? After 12th science, directly admission here, or you can contact the admission cell of our BMU. For higher studies, we offer PhD program also. So PhD in civil engineering offer in our civil engineering branch. So researcher can join or can research in our laboratories. So in our college there are different laboratories are there, like concrete lab, highway lab, geotechnical lab, transportation lab, and many more. So easily you can perform your research work or experiment work here. So all the academic activities handled by our faculty member. So in our department now 2 associate professors are there and 10 assistant professors are there, and 2 lab assistants are there to conduct the lab performance. After graduation or your post graduation, you can join in private sector or the government sector. In government sector, you can appoint as a assistant engineer in PWD, R&B, in railway sector. Or in private sector, you can join as a surveyor, as a contractor, as a estimator, as a site engineer role. So after graduation or post graduation program, if anybody wants to pursue their higher study in BMU, we offer the PhD program. So PhD program in civil engineering, we offer PhD program in structural engineering, PhD program in geotechnical engineering, PhD program in transportation engineering. If anybody wants to interest to join in our BMU, you can directly contact to our department or our admission cell, which are already mentioned in our BMU website. Thank you.